set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask
a 2, a 3. You don't know it's another Jam Rock vids.
Green Boss in the building.
Weasel.
We're there with the next video.
You see?
So, where you go again? Fifth Harmony?
Yeah, man.
Fifth Harmony.
I'm not laughing, Mr. Ford. You're not funny anymore.
What are they?
Oh, you don't know what you're doing.
Alright, Fifth Harmony, Feet, Gucci, Man. Man. Gucci Mane. I think Gucci Mane. Gucci Mane, you see me? Anyway guys, man.
You don't come from Planet Earth.
Jump into the video, will not take too long. This is another reaction video. Any other reaction you want, put it in the comment section down below. Let's get started. Right about now. Oh, like and comment and subscribe.
You don't know that already.
Yeah, I'm telling them dog. Tell you what?
The poor animals.
I'm telling you.
Them
Tell them you don't know them poor girl are different now. I'm not telling you. Them poor girl are different. I think they broke up now still, you know. Recently. Gucci! Man, girl sound good still, no dog. You can dance your fall. But just realize something. Them call them Fifth Harmony, right? Four of them.
You know, so one guy too.
One man in it?
You know, you're
No, Gucci Mane is the separate man.
Oh.
The group itself are Fifth Harmony, but four of them.
Four of them. Also, one.
Yeah,
well.
well. So just realize, you know. Maybe that foreign girl that. No, not girl. No, not girl. No, not girl. Go cool. Down. Gucci!
It's like Bonnie and Clyde just walked in. Against the English bride just walked in. We on the same team and we ballin'. Got me showing up my ring like I'm Jordan. And I'ma hold you down like you hold me. And I never tell a soul what you told me. When I was sitting in the cell, that's when you showed me. It takes a real one to put her with the old me. That's why you in the coupe with the low seat. That's why we at the game on the flow seats. With diamonds that they see from the nosebleed. You make a man feel like you wanna.
I'm married to a Jamaican girl, man. I'm married to a Jamaican girl.
Oh. She look like a Jamaican.
Black girl?
Can you see it in her face, the way how she move?
Yeah. You know what's still like that?
See there? Man, you don't know how the girl them, man, see what me used to them and make up them face. So white girls just to show that emotion.
Yeah, I know white emotion. Can I like, yo, you tell me, so I'm going to be things tonight. You tell me what we like them get when they plan that to the dance.
Maybe Fish,
Yeah, see me?
maybe Gucci Mane is the fifth Harmony.
Gucci Mane not a Fifth Harmony, yeah.
Different-
Gucci Mane is a different
different
man
artist.
himself. Why Gucci Mane a big artist and a big rap artist?
Actually, this is great music.
Why? But them most Gucci Mane I like Busta Rhymes,
And then man.
Lil Wayne. Them long time artists there, but he's still ready for up to now for sure say him a big artist.
Oh, from
You see
them
me?
times.
He's on a long time basis. I think they are prison for 4 years.
Think me
One year
did
come last year. Last year him come from prison. Oh, last year him come from prison. You see me? I'm not gonna much of the place again. You see me? But anyway, guys, that's the end of the reaction. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and comment in that direction down below. You see me? Peace out.
Peace out.